Welcome to day one on reflection and gratitude. We're usually grateful for our body, our health, and everything else. But today we're going to do our first exercise. I want you to look around your room. If there's someone, look at your loved ones, look at a picture of someone. I'm looking at my daughter right now. Look at the greenery outside if you have some, nature, colors, whatever you have around you. Look at it. Look at it with a sense of joy. And now I want you to close your eyes. Now, when you do that, you can't see anything. You can't see anything. Now reflect and imagine if you didn't have your eye health, or if you lost your eye health today, how would the quality of your life change? How would you feel? What would change in your life? And now reflect and feel deeply grateful for the eyesight that you have. Knowing that, you will take actions to improve your eyesight. You will eat well, do eye yoga, eye exercises, whatever it is. But reflect on this today.